Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to see you here. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadhien Ramadhan Haniswaskito, and I'm from Group 13. And here's the list of member of Group 13. The purpose of the presentation is to explain about cloud computing. Without any further ado, let's get to the first point. Okay, the first point is cloud computing. Named cloud computing because the information is accessed remotely in the cloud or virtual room. Companies that provide cloud service allow their users to store files and applications from remote servers. They can also access it as long as there is an internet connection. This means as user does not need to be in a certain place to get access to his file. Cloud computing can be public or private. Public cloud provides its service publicly on the internet, while on the other hand, private cloud only provides its service to certain people. There is also a hybrid option, which combines both public and private cloud. And here's the example of using cloud computing. Apart from the variety of service cloud computing provides its users with a range of functions such as email service, storage, backup and data retrieval, create and test application, analyze data, streaming audio and video.
Type of cloud computing based of the service. 1. Software as a service SaaS involves licensing a software application to its user. These licenses are actually granted via a pay-as-you-go or endowment method. This type can be found in Microsoft Office 365. 2. Infrastructure as a service (AAS) involves a method for delivering a file from the operating system to the server and storage. VIP-based connectivity as part of an on-demand service. Clients don't need to buy software on server. Popular example to test tip are public cloud from Indonesia Cloud and Microsoft Azure. 3. Platform as a service PaaS is said to be the most complex. PaaS is almost similar to SaaS, but the biggest difference is that instead of selling software via online, PaaS is actually a platform for the creating software that is delivered over the internet. Example of PaaS are Selectforce.com and Heroku.
How cloud computing works. Each variant of cloud computing has the same two factors in general, namely data centers that are outside and must have internet to access them. Server resources in this data center are pooled to create a very large platform ready to accommodate virtual services. These pooled resources are arranged to be flexible so that their user can access more storage space if need. Similarly, resources that are not being used will be released back to the cloud when they are no longer needed. The use of these on-demand batch resources offer virtually unlimited scalability, and flexibility. The reason is your need for cloud computing is always changing or dynamic.
Advantages of using cloud computing. Company using the cloud can cut costs significant. Before the cloud, company had to buy own their own information technology management. On the other hand, with the cloud, company only need a central server and division to ensure that the internet is fast and stable so that their employer can interact cloud online. Cloud to allow employer self storage your laptop or computer. When there is a software or program to need updating, just download it without traditional method using a flash disk or drive. For example, Adobe user can access application through Creative Cloud with a subscription models. This allow user to download latest version and fix the program more easily. Thank you so much from us group of 13. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.